Hello, welcome to our channel Out of the Box. This channel is about giving you buyer's experience of products and gadgets and other things. हमारा ये मेन कंसर्न था कि हम ये YouTube चैनल बनाएं और आपको सही प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदने में मदद कर सके ताकि तो फिर we are presenting you our first out of the box video from a very popular online store named as ELO. So let's see what they have written for us. They wrote us a greeting. Thank you so much for your order. You are as thrilled to receive your parcel as we were to send it to you. If anything isn't as it should be, you can connect on us to make it right. We love having you as a customer. Okay, let's see. Let's cut it. That's in XXL shirt in red color. When I ordered it, it was written there that it is available in minor fault. Okay, basically I can't see any minor fault in it. Well, let me give you a shopping experience about it. This shirt, it is for only around, let me show you. Red. It is for 130 rupees. Can you see it, guys? It is for 130 rupees only. So let's open another shirts. Shirts are really nice. Shirts quality is really nice. This shirt is for 143 rupees. Not bad at all. Shirt quality is really good. Okay, that's a blue color, sky blue. That's an XL shirt. Nice. You can see these shirts. These shirts are really good. The quality is really good. From a buyer perspective, I'm really happy with these shirts. आप इन्हें नॉर्मल डेली यूज़ में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. You can go for some event too, a casual event, a formal kind of event too. Shirts are really nice. I've ordered around 8 to 10 shirts for around 1500 rupees with no shipping fees. That's a blue color, that's extra. That's a navy blue shirt. Shirts are really good. The quality is really good. Oh wow, that's a really good material. Good. So guys, my experience with ELO is really good. So you guys can order these. shirts from ELO. They have a complete sale. Basically ये सारी shirts हो गई. I have repeated colors for my brother too. So basically I'm very happy with the quality, the stuff, the material, and the overall, the main thing, the pricings. Basically आजकल आपको 150 के 200 रुपीज़ के जो है सेंटर मिडल में इतनी अच्छी shirts मिलना in Pakistan, it is really difficult for you. So thank you ELO, thank you कि I got such amazing products, and मैं आपके लिए लिंक डाल दूँगा. आप मेरे यूट्यूब के डिस्क्रिप्शन में चेक कर लीजिएगा. एंड थैंक यू गाइज, थैंक यू एवरीवन. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट वीडियो. होप यू लाइक इट. इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीट सून. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.